Come here, Cass. Come here. Get a baby. Get a baby. You got with some whipped creamers. Get some whipped cream. You're holding on to it yourself, baby. Mmm. Mmm. That's a good treat, huh? That's a good treat, huh? Oh, Cook. I tried to give you some, bud, but you didn't want any. Okay, okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, Kaz. Hold on, Kaz. Hold on, baby. Hold on. No. Here. Wait. Here. Oh, you're gonna be hyper tonight. I know that. Good? Still more? Are you good? 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 Did you finish it? Yeah, for the most part you did.